Station by station. We're playing to the nation.
Top Online Radio UK. The top Ghanaian radio in the UK. For no-stop news, views, interviews, and what have you. Tune in to Top Online Radio UK. The more you listen, the better we sound. Top Online Radio, bringing Ghana to the diaspora. Visit toponlinestation.com.
Watch us live on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Download our free radio app from the Play Store and the Apple App Store, or from our website, toponlinestation.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm your DJ.
Ghana for our butcher, ya, say then, Kenya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimu, a potokas emu, yakase a lawyer for, and Timiniano, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and could die one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimu could draw for Wisemart Solicitors. So what's now, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi Dronsua, a Yomokokra, a Banini Passitemu, any Ejumemun Sendia, Omudimu Akotenipa, Omu the many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242, and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahini fuchiniye ebidi de biye.
Atrema, Casato and Fashima, Eradicaso Namane.
Ghana for our butcher, ya, say then, Kenya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimu, a potokas emu, yakase a lawyer for, and Timiniano, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and could die one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimu could draw for Wisemart Solicitors. So what's now, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi Dronsua, a Yomokokra, a Banini Passitemu, any Ejumemun Sembia, Omudimu Akotenipa, Omu the many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242, and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahini fuchiniye ebidi de biye.
Do you need a professional website for your business, organization, or e-commerce store? Look no further. Compassion Web Design Limited is your number one stop shop. We are a team of marketing, graphics, and web designers with over a decade experience in building and maintaining websites. Our products are very user-friendly, search engine optimized with multiple user permission levels, and are built with PHP and MySQL database. For more information, visit our website www.compassionweb.co.uk or call us on +44 0208 528 3077. Compassion Web Design, your professional web design partners.
Ghana for our portrait, ya say then, Kenya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimo, a potokasemu, yakase a lawyer for, and Timiniano, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and called Dynamo, Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimo could draw for Wisemart Solicitors. So what's now, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi Dronsua, a Yomoko Kra, a Banini Passitnemu, any Ejumemun Sembia, Omudimu Akotenipa, Omu the many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahini fuchiniye ebidi de biye.
For more Ghanaian content in the UK and around the world, tune in to Top Online Radio UK. We bring you news, views, interviews, and what have you. Download our free mobile radio app from the App Store and the Play Store. Just search for Top Online Radio UK. We stream live on Facebook. Good evening. Welcome to Legal Matters. This is DJ KB, Top Online Radio UK. I believe you are well. Today is Wednesday. And as usual, it's a ball non-song UK time. The anonymous says it's time for Legal Matters. I banya bisia enkratasem emransem and the coach Chico Bremai Wisemart Solicitors Adaromanti Timidis Ubia Aye Crado. We have just 1 hour time no crash say a quote into send the no Obaswa betimi bisa any legal question bia opebia fa any topic no ho any legal update. Emransem ne enkratasem. This is a free legal hour, free legal consultation hour no enti shenon so enti send the no we are live on YouTube and Facebook as well as on our free mobile app. And also on our website, toponlinestation.com. And then yen sebre cry into me lawyer beba na yashe ene jumedina se. Lawyer Francis, welcome to Legal Matters. This is Top Online Radio UK. Now, Wisemart for what to say?
Thank you, DJ KB. Namia Daruma. Bibia dane kwan so onso wase oye what is saying
Nyame adom because bibia dane kwan mu ayo ba dia daroma bibia dane kwan mu nti edam ase so mo bisa right lawyer we dia na yeni bre nti obese brekunam ye dini show nti ye boni tew na yenko yanim DJ Valentine. On see about the tell. DJ baby, I will be a Michelle. Your lawyer, yeah, Shasia, say you share, legal world, UK. In fact, assembly, they say the update, acquire constant almost every time. There are updates. The update via about person in Ghana for a channel.
Yo, me da say in Chiakesi a compound anywhere T4 near for our top online radio. Say and then so about the achayen your usual legal our legal matters, legal issues I be discuss from 7 to 8 drew on more. Sena all can Tembia home office almost a Sunday be brave in terms of especially immigration. Te also na you feel say your community here pa nti do wasa na your confession for information na ya che ya be cheche mu se ne be ya ye nuanom anase ye nkrofo anase obi a wo immigration issues enye immigration pe your family your employment and other areas of law ye hobby but you need to mean so and I say you load the doors no you bet me a referral to other law firms into what they far issues better yen down the no you were honomo you be boamo yo send our kind yen say embre send update no call from no eja anya babelande we be busa say lawyer day
we the lawyer who bisa me anka mecha who bisa me anka mecha we nkwa de
eno de one word papa
eno de Ndra the television ho sa na me say wow
exam
enye you say
yeah and they saying parliament passes bill declaring Rwanda safe. But can it really be called a law at all? So big question now, we don't know. And then they saying, yeah, debate here, House of Lords, House of Parliament, UK, Omra, Shebeja Fono, Eddie share. So, way from Boris Johnson time up to now. Say your Prime Minister and Amanababe law, Rishi Sunak.
Yeah.
All because of a sort of winning political point. Or say after months of deadlock, the House of Lords withdrew its opposition to the safety of Rwanda asylum and immigration bill, meaning that it will become law upon receiving royal assent. This legislation declares in UK law that Rwanda is a safe country for the UK to send asylum seekers.
Wow.
Yeshama in some bebree but sena kano ababeye law inti abeye law sana ebema Prime Minister eni nabedwafo teacher Home Secretary. So anyone be obesity political asylum biano ko start free Rwanda nti ekase ko start free wa uchu mutai obedu UK ana ya 12 de woko nti hono na eba akọhyehyɛ onioma a yɛbɛtie wasɛm decide sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ yɛma political yɛma obesa anaasɛ yɛma sɛ yɛagye watom sɛ ampa woyɛ asylum seekers na ansa na yɛnya de wo firi UK wobɛtɔ UK asase so na yɛde wokɔ Rwanda sɛne ɛbɛyɛ a wobɛsa aba no ɛno nso yɛ asɛm other views ne feel sɛ ɛnyɛ right sɛ na UK aban edi ombeko Rwanda because omo feel say they've breached you can say immigration they breached human rights law, they've breached it. Anything because I say passing of the safety of Rwanda asylum and immigration bill met with wave of criticism. A month for or more come once and was it the safety of Rwanda asylum and immigration bill successfully completed its progress through Parliament, which is last night last 2 nights, which is 22nd and then 24th, in the night after the House of Lords eventually relented and let the bill pass. Intuition my House of Lords, the benefit na no more mu. Mumpese sa adie we be pass. Or see, it is accepted that the bill will receive royal assent, which is 23rd, today 24th, becoming the Safety of Rwanda Asylum and Immigration Act 2024. Prime Minister Rishi Sunak said yesterday, which is 22nd, that the first flight to remove asylum seekers to Rwanda would be in 10 to 12 weeks. 10 to 12 weeks, within the 3 months, almost say, Rwanda. And there would then be a regular rhythm of multiple flights every month over the summer and beyond until the boats are stopped. Inti Omayan, she says 10 to 12 weeks, Rwanda nebeko. Now after that, every 1 month be no flight the omubeko. Till say omube jai say omude boat ebenam eposo ababedlu UK.
Wow.
Intuition see the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugee, Filippo Grandi, reaffirmed in a statement that the new act would breach international law. Nti ebedu pempenso no, the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugee feel say adie we die entasum. Nti definitely omuhu say international law in terms of human rights UK buso ti as time goes on omu di omba kujina court.
Wow.
Enya easy sir, was in crofo bebre beba omu betwe ho manso.
Wow.
Nti that tells you say they feel say sa adie ya ababeye law UK international United Nations Human Rights feel say no adie UK aban apase and then sensem enebeba. Because I see 2 United Nations human rights experts warned yesterday that removal to Rwanda would be unlawful, and any airlines or aviation regulators facilitating the removals could be complicit in violating internationally protected human rights and court orders. Inti airline a ode no ho bejim se me de me betwe amanfo afri UK ha akọ Rwanda ono nso omo file for international law a omo de omo beka ho, according to 2 United Nations human rights experts. Inti wa wo bebua ma we nyina akoso bia ye de wo beka ho na ye beka ne se eden pa. But Oma Pase Mrano, Yenshen Yebesi. Over 250 NGOs wrote an open letter to the Prime Minister to express outrage at the new legislation, calling it a shameful and performatively cruel law that will put people seeking safety at grave risks of mental and physical harm. And do you see how the expressions are coming out?
Yeah.
Or more folks where there see 250 NGOs, non-governmental organizations, fighting for human rights. And a mature letter, Akoma Prime Minister say, 1 year careful, Adena war, Adena war pushing. It was it, despite the clear ruling from the Supreme Court, the government is rewriting the facts so they can shrink our responsibilities to refugees. Okay. In doing so, the government will break international law and further shatter the UK's commitment to justice and the rule of law. Anka obia hu ni say UK krono ye dimra so ye dwe nipa ho human rights, rule of law, adwuma, justice ewo krom ha. But the way omoye no amanfo have a second thought say no. And dear UK buy a pushing on a den sensem beba ye dear farm mudi omo omo just a prime minister in the court for a dear man for far. And this is where NGOs for assume. This is where human rights experts for assume. So a dear UK buy and yet Yen Sheba could be a CEO of the Refugee Council, Enver Solomon, or say the new act was Orwellian and was simply excavate chaos in the asylum system at huge cost to the taxpayer. Oh, baby, oh no, so shard in a free. Oh no, more dream. Oh no, so we say taxpayers seeker was here the yard the panel, yet they call the trimmer so as a salmon for flight in Rwanda.
Because Sikana woman the kitro.
Sana making Wadika. Because Santa Desmosky was saying that the passing of the bill was a national disgrace and leaves a strain on the UK's moral reputation.
Wow.
So harsh words are here used to my UK.
Yes, sir.
So that tells you say no beyond an energy.
Yeah, some lawyer with them in Chuano. But I was surprised when I heard it for the first time. UK Nipa Baukrum na o process. You know, and say, Omo ambeji omono majemo, mo amenye monso monkom krum. Simple as that. Na yen fa womonko Rwanda. And sane ye ko process womo na mo mbe successful no, ya san de omo aba. I could say sika we nyina. To be honest, lawyer, me no, in fact I was surprised, but politicians in our casa. So yeah, what can we say? But hopefully no. To be anyway, lawyer, you to us.
Politicians also na moto abama. Remember?
Yes, you lawyer, and my name say update no you na yonko.
For now no way and financial requirement a new one abba.
Okay.
But no you better that can once because although it looks simple but technicalities kakra wo so you meeting the financial requirement under the spousal visa application, you know, because there are so many technicalities. One year, say you pay all the way to 29,000 since 11th of April, 2024.
Right.
The way application now sponsor no aim to meet that financial requirement. I'm afraid application unless what are some specific benefits because they know the reason why or more air casa say in terms of say over such an application, they're expecting you to say at least mint me hon so dear it was say Monday application in
okay.
And almost say me fan with because it was say umiti bibia a friend of financial requirement. Financial requirement, you know, and more che bia no more page muno. What they call Bibia, you say a draconian. But what can we do? Because a brief summary, I say the applicant must provide specified evidence from the sources listed. The specified gross annual income of at least 29,000. And I'll say specified savings of 16,000. So I say we use savings our calculations be what, but that calculations pa. I don't know say a quite that calculations quite kakra be a woman now me pe say ye tin ho na say ye share how work it out because to be frank enye easy. And yeah, easy. Cry, we were saying that baby I would done.
Yeah.
Because we share such calculations. Now, my main yet simple calculation was the income tax threshold plus general financial requirement multiplied by period of leave granted in years. Until what more year savings be savings in year 16,000 at our account.
Right.
Into 16,000 at our account tomorrow. Was say yenu plus 29,000, which is the threshold. Multiply by 2.5 no.
Hey.
Now when you answer. Na calculations kakra we no. That means say we meet employment financial requirement now with savings need there, it has to be 88,500.
Wow. So
calculations kakra na
say yempese according to
say that tells you say they don't want to say you don't qualify.
Yeah.
Because why they be save such an amount of money? Ewo Chrome UK ha.
Wow.
So these are the things but they all know what they are doing, and I say I must set it trap. They look at it in such a way say Obian were this time coming to UK be so easy. All because the aiming of curbing legal migration numbers to the UK by around 300,000 is what they are working towards it, as announced by the government.
Right.
These are the deterrents. One of them, as they pass the law or make the changes since 11th of April 2024, financial requirement threshold 29,000. Wow. Was it incremental increases are planned at an unspecified time, likely in late 2024.
Wow.
To 34,500.
The hottest DJ.
To 29 by late 2024, about 34,500. And finally to 38,700 in early 2025.
Wow.
That tells you, sir, Abayano, Nenia Bede Papa.
Semu.
Of course, Honon or Shenswa a bit to me, I deter people from bringing their spouse to UK. But all boils down to say that initially, Rwanda, comments by, is against human rights. Two human rights experts, Etimia Kasema, Abayano said, would 250 NGOs letters to the Prime Minister. Was a media maintain.
Semu. Now, sometimes, say, I don't know, that sort of is a stiff-neckedness I don't know, among some politicians. Say, so the policy be bar, now say, even, Sinibu say, this is what I want to promote. He will even put his own career on the line because of just one policy. I have one example. David Cameron did the same thing with Brexit.
Yes, it's true.
Well, you put your whole career on just one policy. I don't understand.
One farmer. At the end of the day, at the end of the day, one score political points.
Say,
no, and no look at the Lucy election at one farmer. Or didn't you see the worker say, me, and I'm a Timmy pass is idea with.
And to say, then I resign. That is the end of your.
You resign. I know a free so. On farmer.
I think that is one of the difference between politics in In the West and politics in other places. Other places, if you want them cry, they are home few cry.
Yes.
Right.
So you see, so that tells you how the politicians behave when it comes to policies.
Right.
Because at the end of the day, no, on only dinner no open. Say, me say, I'm pan so why yes, so Lucy election or Lucy on farm.
You want to pass a Rwanda bill?
Yes.
Right. Right, lawyer. I'm saying a time no conti. Will be question on the buy and I'm person me the banner. A tier 4 team me was for a question via bit me the now I question ye, lawyer, or say me am okay and I'm saying no, just send me the back program you so. Say what backroom ha or as a dependent, a skilled worker, health and care as a dependent.
Oh, as a dependent.
Yeah.
Okay.
A dependent of a skilled worker. Na nipa no omume enu nyina wa ha. Omuma the 3 months, you know, from Ghana, say oba kuruma na so oba apply for, you know, BRP no. Di oba January 3 months na omde man no Ghana na ode buy. Ti January no ode application to move for, you know, BRP no. After a buyer expiry date that one year, end of August 2024.
Okay.
And okay, no see me miss as a lawyer. Now a banner saying no him say I didn't get 2.5, quarter 2.5. With year 5 years. Now 8 months there. A banner saying na and so me banner lawyer.
Yo me da say. Ma analyze nyoma be pre kwa afa de ne waka chairman no.
Okay.
Then a question no. So a dependent what it looks or seems like is I say obi lead you na udi na chi.
Yeah.
Nipa ni 2 step I was say uzutiem untimi nkosa na mu. Because the entire make say for all you know no the main applicant no bia ne visa no ba be expire August no.
Okay.
Inti ne visa ne ba be expire August ni dia. Definitely the dependent no one no nenam.
Okay.
Inti in this case no dependent no say main applicant dey na expire who dependent automatically and also no be expire.
Right.
Untimi nkosa ne ho kan je ne say ono ne dey be expire August, who dey be expire December. No way.
Okay.
In this case, you know, be as an home office, share no, and nothing on man up to that time now, the main applicant didn't be expire.
Okay.
And yes, answer on far on track copy through WhatsApp. Now, come share the COS, no, mammy share the depend and the main applicant, no, a visa na okutan.
Okay. Okay. Because maybe some mono say main applicant and also not the same date in the room.
Yes.
That,
obviously. If that's the case, first, you best start here with the COS, certificate of sponsorship.
Okay.
So certificate of sponsorship, no, a man up to that limit now. Main applicant because dependent to because
right. Now lawyer, but sir COS na skilled worker yet maybe for less than 1 year.
Yes, being this now we are employer now over J side no through your sponsor licenses no. Nyoma okay kan nti na ma sir. Because we do me were juma up to 6 months, me were juma up to 10 months and do 1 year.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Inti also that's the technicalities a woman who fail such an sponsor license application form to the home officer. You have to seek a legal advice.
Okay.
And that's a share because fine, you bet me I baby who expect to send 2 years, 5 years, for sponsor license, COS, you know, money, sir. Let's say you explain to convince the home office to grant you that.
Wow.
And of late, they are more serious and careful about that. For the issuing of sponsor licenses. All because people will be coming up, the employer will be coming up and saying, "Sir, me wa juma oh muba mubenya juma." But you be sure no nentesa because of late, the Home Office task force are serious about certain.
Right.
Licenses back. All because they promise if they are not paying them the minimum wages, we've been paying them. Incentives now because some of them attachment to their contract, it's not forthcoming.
Wow.
Into there are things I'm a Home Office. I started embarking on a task force to go and check and make sure say they are more guided up there. Employer, you are sticking to the COS guidance, because most of them, to be frank, even they promise them say memo 13 hours. Ask them say how many for the past 3-6 months almost 30 and even been 6 hours shift a day, but
right.
So that makes it a bit difficult, my Home Office, because it affects you when you are coming back to renew it. Anyway, yeah.
Right. Lawyer, I don't be see on air topic say time no. So checking your digital UK immigration status online through the e-visa system. Lawyer, I'm saying no idea you see.
Yes. Enya started.
Lawyer, ne chechiremu na educate about this.
Yo.
Me that say.
Yo, Miss Medasi. Yeah, sure. Bakwasem kakra DHR ekofa we nyina bae. From 1st of January 2020, applicants who were granted 5 years limited leave to remain started to receive biometric resident permit, endorsed with an expiry date of 31st December 2024. The 1st of January 2020, Corona Home Office. In Sakrayeba, Mumu starting issue BRP Now, making sure say wow over 5 years, expiring date in embassy 31st of December 2024. Kebasana no be ambisa lawyer after 2024 no dear ben embassy. In the Home Office, all because of technology and answer advancement to make things so easy. So they can even track you and that kind of thing, and a coffee away in our buy. Bruni Bekan said digitalization.
Okay.
Did that brought about it now? Time, now Faina UK buying a free Brexit or Barbe the Brexit in your man. Internet fabric in UK, you run unlimited or more what they have to do. And it gets to a stage we decide say okay, you free you yeah. And that was what it leads to UK are buying taking this initiative by making sure say from 1st of January 2025 at least people should have created something we call a e-visa.
Okay.
Whereby we no longer need the BRPs any longer.
Right.
Yours is to hold your passport at any border point. They will come out with your names. Your show passport, no need that information now. It will tell them say who on krata wukuma and I say who in krata wukuma, which is will BRP nanka ubekuta no ya the copy be digitalized.
Okay.
Tia babisana or passport here will priority.
Okay.
And no any better charge you. And I say who renew krana or passport the I will say who update UK VI system account
Wow.
Because we're updating now the passport but and I say immigration officer me border and yama obeti maka say we overstay who need krata kwa UK. In the ancient so passport no wu and then ya ko renew who renew yeah na wa update your UKVI say when you can hear that with your new passport number.
Okay.
Yo, yeah, share the new online immigration UK visa now. Or say on 30th October 2023, the online immigration status e-visa guidance was first published. This was updated twice in March and most recently on 17th of April 2024. Introduce your idea when they say I was saying 2024, 2023, October 30th, now we introduce you e-visa.
Okay.
And no more year changes, updating March and most recently 17th of April 2024. The current guidance now started 17th of April 2024 to know much about the e-visa. And was it the e-visa guidance outlined further development and steps in the plan to move to online records as opposed to physical documents. That tells you, sir, UK are buying per se or DBBR a core online. That say ubekuta BRP in a simple. To the next question is which immigration status documents are being replaced by an e-visa? Because we need to be very careful. So, me de say me kuta wenti me here bi ana me here bi. Yo, as long as we kuta biometric resident permit, your friend BRP no. I will say we create e-visa account.
Okay.
Through UKVI.
Right.
And as long as we kuta biometric resident card. No, so no, I will say we create UKVI account. Obi Beka said lawyer na BRP ni BRC difference between BRP you demand on the basis of human rights, family life, no. And a BRC you for dependents, you for family member.
Oh, okay.
Omo and a omukuta BRC.
So biometric residence card
and biometric resident permit.
Okay. All right.
Private life, we have BRP.
Right.
Partner route, we have BRP.
Okay.
Parent route, we have BRP.
Right.
Discretionary leave, we have BRP.
Right. So only Europe for EU for and a BRC.
Yes.
Right. Lawyer, to me, a question very quickly, sir. So after 31st December 2024, what do you get? How will they going to issue visas?
What they are going to do is, that's the reason why from now, sir, who put a BRC, or passport ya endorse ya de Viet na boom, sticker boom, almost say start create UKVI account.
Okay.
Into who created that account now, over fill it online form with your passport and your immigration status.
Okay.
Into what year no jai dia kama UK abang.
All right.
Into any time biana uko renew application biano or mobile year update or record on the system.
Okay.
Okay. Into what year visa na after 31st of December wako renew 1st of January over normal amount say you be send letter say you are granted but you card nka ho.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You remember why you are aware say who pay BBA for online e ko check status.
Hey, but
definitely you're going to get a paper decision. You're going to get a paper decision. Intimation paper decision is important. Wow. We shouldn't throw them away. No, see another evidence for your stay in UK here. especially emails.
Asemo lawyer, or more man near complicated in my.
So what I mean, you will see whether it's complicated or not, because they are trying to make things so easy and accessible. But beyond your advantages and disadvantages.
Okay.
Obi wa ha school dem won see order. Obi wa ha brofo know how to even create a use computer and as for no.
Yeah.
No. I'm for criticizing about that. How is the government taking it?
And I even later say beti a lot of mails don't get delivered. Beti me atwa na fe
Anyway, so my next question is what is an e-visa?
Yeah.
The e-visa is an online record of your immigration status and the conditions of your permission to enter or stay in the UK. Inti say we e-visa na o create account hona information bia ehhehye in terms of say wo nkrata wo krom ha nkrata na e dia ma no conditions when the daso. Indeed, that's the e-visa all about. The e-visa will be used to travel to the UK and eventually you will not be required to carry a physical document, i.e. BRP. It is important to note that until you have an e-visa, you will need to continue to carry your physical document as evidence of your status. Nti from now no one create e-visa na koswa kuta ubi RP no till say ube create visa no which is through UKVI account.
Okay.
Ti say unya create ya koswa kuta ubi RP no but I was say we year no before say 31st of December 2024 because from 1st of January 2025 no they are not going to entertain BRC.
Wow.
Yenshaninsu.
Yeah, Simon.
Ndushama see the published guidance, which is the e-visa guidance, records the following apparent benefits of e-visa. They are secured and cannot be lost.
On Facebook,
Some
YouTube,
advantages
and
are more
TikTok.
common.
Download our free radio app
Stolen
from the
or
Play Store
tempered
and the
with
Apple App
unlike
Store,
a
or
physical
from our
document.
website,
The reason why I'm
toponlinestation.com.
creating e-visa, these are the advantages they're talking about. It cannot be stolen, it cannot be lost, tempered with into 7.
Right.
Yeah. And also, you will not need to wait for or collect a physical document after your application is decided. You might still need to provide biometric information in person, and we will tell you if you need to do so. To Shema, these are the advantages of more e-visa. And I'll say it will be quicker and easier to prove your status at the UK border and share your status with third parties like employers and landlords. And now, if I offer BRP Bani as Canina, here the beer to far soon, every share code here start eBay and no be a bit no. The one's information here fast in making decision, employer and landlords in terms of say that they don't remember and I say more Jumaye.
And you woman share code now, boy, I know who they say.
That's it. Oh, on Krata now, in Krata. A very easier manner. Into the next one is does this need digital system affected my immigration status? Many will be concerned about the current immigration status and the impact the new digital system may have. Into I say the app, the guidance confirmed updating your physical documents to an e-visa does not affect your immigration status or the conditions of your permission to enter or stay in the UK. It's just a transform all the information on the card into the system online. That's the e-visa all about. Right. What is a UK account and why do I need it? Definitely you need it because of the changes coming up.
Right. Yeah,
that's it. You need to have or to do that. Share code grass starting is part of it. So they are making the system almost sure they see to be say advantages is more likely compared to the disadvantages. No? But Bibiano, some number draw conclusion. But as time goes on, they will see the disadvantages side.
No.
Yes, and they will start making something about it.
Wow.
Into the first, another question is what action do I need to take? As we explained, with your BRP or BRC, create an account. Create an account with the UK VI account. There is a UK VI account contact form. You can fill it online.
Okay.
Yeah. So that will help and see how things are put in place. The future. What's the future in this e-visa? There have been many arguments advanced in favor of digital signatures. They feel say fast and reliable. It detects it's not going to be tempered and that kind of thing. Stolen, lost, and that kind of thing. They look at it advantages. But let's continue. And they look at it it's a favors of digital signatures, including efficiency, convenience, security, reduction of errors. Do you believe that?
Somehow, to some extent, because I kind of saying sometimes the human factor, say if they have to verify your ID manually, maybe some errors could occur. Sibia Nipano or Shemu, I don't know. I think it's about the human factor. Say, the human factor and error.
Human factor. Bear in mind, the same human factor no input to the digital, But they are entitled to express their opinion. Let's see. So I say UK VI launched a digital system in 2018 to coincide with those holding permission under the EU settlement scheme. There were reported difficulties at the time by many individuals and through organizations and watchdogs. Many of the difficulties faced by individuals were reported in the media. Of course, further difficulties are likely to be experienced by those unable to create an account and therefore rendered unable to prove their status. Concerns have been raised about those individuals who are limited in accessing the system by not having the necessary English language skills, computer literacy, and access to the needed technology. Many organizations and watchdogs continue to call upon the government to make allowances for the use of physical proof of immigration status. If not, individuals are forced into a position where they are unable to prove their status with the significant inevitable consequences. Someone with disadvantages America was.
Yeah.
That's what many organizations, watchdogs, and experts say. No, I was say abani mubibi. Obi a wanti brofo, obi a wonim de eko. Diebe mwa na brofo abani ye edi aboa. Indeed, that's what I said. We have the advantages and disadvantages.
Right, lawyer. Maybe a question we that yen twaso. I'm say a time no crasso. It's about I'll say what is the name of the website? I think it's about the e-visa to setting up accounts.
Yeah, to open an account, you have to go to UKVI.
UKVI. Okay.
Yeah. Into Google UKVI account, sign in. If you're a new member, you just create an account.
Oh, okay. So,
With your
and your
password.
home office website.
A home office website, but that's how they created it.
Oh, okay. UKVI.
In the over to me, I can say UKVI registration.
Okay, oh, Google. Sorry.
UKVI account registration.
Oh, okay.
Why?
Okay. Your lawyer, I'm saying we have 4 minutes.
Okay.
ABC managing on.
For your contact in it now.
Okay.
What you get them in them, yeah.
All right. For lawyer Francis, or more contact information is on your screen at the moment. And lawyer, Bibi episode be chat na 4 minutes na MA.
Yo, let me get a bit chat one is who are immigration issues and I say who are legal issues you're very, very careful because the young one is all the time no we even the lawyers all the time we have to update ourselves and make sure current issues are called by and I say yenim because a bear yam say about your application be application over share now you see a term and I say for term over share say what picking the wrong application. Once over say oh me you be 2-3 years ago yeah we been a year we been a father year Mr. Mo current immigration trend cause changes no and DJ KB Eka no SSA left and right.
All the time, every now and then.
SSA all the time. That's the right way. Ntiabasana one year. Who so 6 months ago, Namra we minim. Bear in mind, put him say coming June, changes be baso.
They said every month we are special.
In America no. Yes, about a month to crumble. First now ye jina o step child so near the don't know.
Yeah.
Could you believe sir is changing at the moment? From June as
wow.
You can't use step
step child.
Step step parents say me jina akola so dey yen krata bio. Timisha mo amanya bi sesi an mo me anya ansana June aba.
Right. Right.
Advice I made bema enuano. Why?
Yo, that's Lawyer Francis in the tip for Wisemart for contact information is on your screen at the moment. Or more Unit 8, the Print House, 18 to 22 Ashrin Street, Dalston, London, E8 3 Delta Lima. Or more office number here 0208 016 5384. I repeat 0208 016 5384. Lawyer Francis Mohune in a number so near 07946 772 439. That is 07946 772 439. Or more emergency number 07931 411 042. Now, if we make an emergency number, I'm interested we a legal emergency. I need a 24/7 number. And anytime member free beyond as I say or more answer. That is the number 07931 411 042. Uhuaka Jamu Bebino, for instance, Unipa Beef Ghana Airport on Besomo Santaniko Ghana. Call the emergency number 07931 411 042. Na any omo eninkomo. Right, at you for I believe sir you've been blessed through the program. This program comes your way every Wednesday. But you just say bia from next week Wednesday no ben sakraka krabi ewum. But until further notice no, it's the same time, same station, Top Online Radio UK. I'm doing the DJ KB. I believe Bibia Eda Nekwanso Stay tuned. Download our mobile app from the Play Store and the App Store or from toponlinestation.com.
Ghana for our butcher, ya say then, Kenya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimo, a potokasemu, yakase a lawyer for, and Timinianoma, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and could die one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimo could draw for Wisemart Solicitors. So what's now, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi drone swa, a yomokokra, a banini passitnemu, any ejumemun sembia, Omudimua Hotanipa, Omu the many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For inquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahini fuchiniye ebidi de biye.
Do you need a professional website for your business, organization, or e-commerce store? Look no further. Compassion Web Design Limited is your number one-stop shop. We are a team of marketing, graphics, and web designers with over a decade experience in building and maintaining websites. Our products are very user-friendly, search engine optimized with multiple user permission levels, and are built with PHP and MySQL database. For more information, visit our website www.compassionweb.co.uk or call us on +44 0208 528 3077. Compassion Web Design, your professional web design partners.
Ghana for our butcher, ya say then, Kenya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimo, a potokasemu, yakase a lawyer for, and Timinianoma, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and could die one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenim could draw for Wisemart Solicitors. So what's now, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi drone swa, a yomokokra, a banini passitnemu, any ejumemun sembia, Omudimua Hotanipa, Omu the many pebia.
You're tuned in to Top Online Radio UK, the top Ghanaian station in the UK. Hailing from the eastern corridors of London, we bring you rich Ghanaian content from the diaspora and around the world. Enjoy 24/7 live radio on our free mobile radio app. Download our free app on Play Store and the App Store. Just search for Top Online Radio UK. We bring you news, music, interviews, trending issues, etc. Join our weekly programs. We stream live on Facebook and YouTube. For advertisement, sponsorship, event promotion, and career with us, contact us on 0044 7902 944 398. Top Online Radio, the top Ghanaian radio in the UK. Stay tuned. You're tuned in to Top Online Radio UK, the top Ghanaian station in the UK. Hailing from the eastern corridors of London, we bring you rich Ghanaian content from the diaspora and around the world. Enjoy 24/7 live radio on our free mobile radio app. Download our free app on Play Store and the App Store. Just search for Top Online Radio UK. We bring you news, music, interviews, trending issues, etc. Join our weekly programs. We stream live on Facebook and YouTube. For advertisement, sponsorship, event promotion, and career with us, contact us on 0044 7902 944 398. Top Online Radio, the top Ghanaian radio in the UK. Stay tuned. You're tuned in to Top Online Radio UK, the top Ghanaian station in the UK. Hailing from the eastern corridors of London, we bring you rich Ghanaian content from the diaspora and around the world. Enjoy 24/7 live radio on our free mobile radio app. Download our free app on Play Store and the App Store. Just search for Top Online Radio UK. We bring you news, music, interviews, trending issues, etc. Join our weekly programs. We stream live on Facebook and YouTube. For advertisement, sponsorship, event promotion, and career with us, contact us on 0044 7902 944 398. Top Online Radio, the top Ghanaian radio in the UK. Stay tuned. You're tuned in to Top Online Radio UK, the top Ghanaian station in the UK. Hailing from the eastern corridors of London, we bring you rich Ghanaian content from the diaspora and around the world. Enjoy 24/7 live radio on our free mobile radio app. Download our free app on Play Store and the App Store. Just search for Top Online Radio UK. We bring you news, music, interviews, trending issues, etc. Join our weekly programs. We stream live on Facebook and YouTube. For advertisement, sponsorship, event promotion, and career with us, contact us on 0044 7902 944 398. Top Online Radio, the top Ghanaian radio in the UK. Stay tuned. You're tuned in to Top Online Radio UK, the top Ghanaian station in the UK. Hailing from the eastern corridors of London, we bring you rich Ghanaian content from the diaspora and around the world. Enjoy 24/7 live radio on our free mobile radio app. Download our free app on Play Store and the App Store. Just search for Top Online Radio UK. We bring you news, music, interviews, trending issues, etc. Join our weekly programs. We stream live on Facebook and YouTube. For advertisement, sponsorship, event promotion, and career with us, contact us on 0044 7902 944 398. Top Online Radio, the top Ghanaian radio in the UK. Stay tuned.